Hey everyone, today will be a very short video, a short review video on the LA Colors 5 color metallic eyeshadow in Ocean Breeze. So there are 5 colors and they're all shimmery. I must say that I absolutely adore this mini palette. They are very vibrant colors, so I'm gonna go ahead and swatch it for you guys. The first color is a very, look how vibrant this is, very pearly white with shimmer. And the second is more like a turquoise teal color. Third is a very vibrant blue. The fourth is a very royal purple. And lastly, this is more like a shimmery grey, like gunmetal color. So there you have it again, the white, the sort of teal color, teal green, the very blue, purple and grey. They're very pigmented, I must say. I have tried these on with my Too Faced Shadow Insurance and these last all day. I haven't worn it without a base. So usually I use the Too Faced Shadow Insurance or a NYX Jumbo Pencil underneath it. And these are the colors swatched on my wrist. There you have it. Very, very pigmented colors. And these are swatched without any base. So they are very pigmented, as you can see. This is my first LA Colors palette, and I am looking forward to getting more of these because they are very pigmented, very affordable. Have a great day, guys.